Hi, and welcome to Unit 102 here at 6149 Washington Way. Unit 102 includes 2 bedrooms plus a den that easily functions as a 3rd bedroom and includes a primary suite with a beautiful 3-piece ensuite. This unit was built in 2008 but shows in like new condition. And in addition to its attractive North Nanaimo location, on a bus route, walking distance to shopping, just a really convenient location, this unit is also rare in that it has 2 dedicated parking stalls. Really difficult to find here in Nanaimo, so if you're looking for a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, over 1,400 square foot, low maintenance townhome in a great location with nobody underneath you, come check out 6149 Washington Way, Unit 102. I'm John Cooper with the John Cooper Real Estate Group, eXp Realty, and we are ready when you are.